So what I did is actually this, I actually ran a Docker container only. So Docker run. So you specify the port, so 000 to open it to everyone. So 27017, we are binding it to the port, and I'm giving the name. So name can be anything actually, but okay, Mongo makes sense. So minus D means it's going to run as a daemon. I don't need to see it, and it's going to take the image Mongo. So it might take some time for you to okay. So Docker rm. Let me just remove everything, and let me just do Docker ps. Let's see, ps minus a. Nothing. So Docker run. Docker ps. Yeah, so it's running for me. So the last error was this thing. So let me just Control X and refresh it. Let's hope, fingers crossed, that it should work this time. So yes, connect to the database. Thank God. So DB is there. So let's create some models. But before creating some models, we have to we can do new models. It's gonna be so to do dot. Actually, before to do, we're gonna make command dot model dot command dot model dot ps, and actually I did it somewhere, so let me just see it how it's been working out. I mean, it doesn't make sense. I mean, yeah. So anyway, so I'm gonna do import mongoose. Let's just check this thing for right now. So I'm gonna do const comment schema. So comment schema can be new mongoose. It should import automatically dot schema. Just wait. This config has some errors. No input were found in the config. So source, okay. I have to create a new folder, src. Everything will go into it. Even the routes. App db. Index we'll keep out. Move. So yeah, index will be out in the sense. No, I don't want to import anything. Thank you. src slash app. Okay, it is lowercase src slash db. It should work. What else is your problem? So connected database is running. Everything is fine. Model mongoose schema. So schema curly braces. It has title, title, type, string. Oh god, title is string, and require true. True. Descript. CRIPTION description. If I'm not wrong, description. Yeah. So again, I'll just copy paste it from here to here. And there's one thing I'm going to take care of. It's timestamps basically. So timestamps is going to give me a created at, and as well as updated whenever the document was updated or it was created at. So it's helpful. I mean, it might be helpful, but maybe for logs kind of thing, but not as sophisticated as like creating actual logs. So const comment is equals to mongoose dot model comment So just make sure you add comments like with an S, because it when we're doing referencing it needs with an S basically. So export default comment. So comment is here. So let's create a to-do to-do.model.ts. So to-do.model.ts. It's again const to-do schema new mongoose schema mongoose goose. It has been imported mongoose dot ski. So what all things were there? Just let me see my interface. Title, description, done, comment. Let me just copy it and let's paste it here. So title, type, string, required, true. We'll remove the question mark. We'll add the comma over here, and we'll similarly we'll do it with this one. So it's, let me just remove it first. Comma here, boolean, not required but default value is gonna be false. So by default it's gonna be false. Like, so it's gonna be an array of type mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id type type and yes, so ref, yes, references to comments. I can't forget this. Const to do, and it's gonna be mongoose dot so mongoose are the same thing, mongoose dot model. I don't know why I forget to do's, and it's gonna be to do schema. Export default to do. Lovely. Working great as of now. So what we have done up till now, is basically created two models over here, and with two models we have basically linked comments with the to-do schema. You could have added comments in this thing only, but what if there is a lot of comments, like thousands of comments or hundred thousands of comments, and with that thing, it's gonna be basically very very complex to hold it in one array, because the maximum limit is 64 MB, which is a lot for text at least, but still we are just thinking of a scalable solution for the future. So makes sense to me in that. So let's just modify our base controller, base service. It's a controllers, base controller. So it's going to take an argument over here. So it's going to be model dot mongoose dot model. It's going to be any, and model name, it's going to be a string. String. We'll have a constructor over here. Constructor and we're gonna have model this thing basically. Yeah, so this dot model is equals to model model. This dot model name is equals to model dot model name. It's literally model dot model name it is. So let's so we're gonna have a try async await. It failed because we did not add the constructor. So const send request, we get what we get. Like we get data request dot body, and we're gonna do const db data. So we're gonna do await this dot model dot create create my data, and in response res does send my db data. What did I just do? db data. So that's it. And over here I'm going to do res dot status status 400 some bad request, and send some message like error in $this dot model name. So we can do this thing. Oops. And so that's it. Comma. That's it. We're gonna add async. And with this dot model dot find. Actually, we are getting all the data in this thing. So now just the error in p st error in get, and we have get by id again. Again, we're gonna do this and const id is equals to, we're gonna destructure it, request dot params. So find id. I guess okay, let's see. I mean, if I need it, or if I need the ID or not. Just check. I doubt I need to convert the ID to object ID, but if I need to, then I have to look into it. Get by ID, get, and post. So everything sounds great, but over here we have a problem. We have to call constructor, and in constructor we have to call super with model to do. That's it. Our controller is done, and comment not controller dot ps. Same thing, export div. Actually, let's copy paste it from there. Actually, I'll just write it default class comment controller extends. So we're gonna extend it from the base controller, and the moment we extend it from the base controller, all the properties of that controller will be inherited to this class basically. And so all the get method, the post method, the get by id method will be there in that particular class. So it's just like we are adding less code. Super. comment over here. I think so in interface, did I write I? Yeah, I did write I. So comment interface export default plus to do export default. Beautiful. I mean, till now it is beautiful, but what's your problem? Typescript compiler configuration file, JSON schema for. What's the problem? I mean, just check it. I mean, I don't know why it's weird. Like TypeScript is doing this thing. It's weird. Let me just close this thing for more space. So we have base controller. Everything is great. So let's come on middleware. I doubt we need it, but so let's delete it because no authentication or anything like that. Routes, comments, index.ts. Yeah, so to do's, post, get by ID. And same thing is gonna be for the comment section. Let me just copy paste it, and I'm gonna just do function key and F2 for renaming it. Comment router, comment controller. So that's it. Let's remove the unused comments, and I'm gonna have comment router. I mean, it's too many files, so I'll just explain you once again. So controller is basically our business logic, which is being written over there. Interface is just to hold the values, like just having the interface. Model is actually talking to the mongoose library and just defining our constraints and anything like required maximum if we need it in the future. And routes. I think so. Only one thing I'm missing in comments is no timestamp is there. To do's in to do. Okay, in to do I'm missing timestamps. Timestamps true. Yeah. So it's crashing. Let's see what's the problem. New mongoose. New mongoose schema. Okay, let's try without mongoose. And where is models comments? Comment.model. Okay, SC. Oh god. Sorry, bro. Change you over there. It's a new it's connected to database, completely amazing. So over here we have to just make sure that we are calling API slash to do slash get or anything like that. So let me open my postman. Postman, and let me connect to this route. It's 8080. I don't know for how long I have been recording this video. Let me just look into it if there's anything which I don't want to show. I doubt. I'll just create a new service over here. So yeah, Postman is here with us. So I'm gonna do http :// localhost 8080 and this API dash to do. So let's hope it should work. So it's giving me no data. So I'm gonna duplicate the tab. Over here, I'm gonna make it post API to do, and it should have raw, and it will go by JSON. So I should add app dot use express dot JSON. So we don't need body parser anymore. I mean, Express has it inbuilt now. So what all things are required for the model is we can go over here to do model, and I can see title is required, and description I've written 2 times. I don't know why. Let me just put it down over there. That's more than enough. So okay, description and done. So let's go to the postman again. So I'm gonna do title title have to complete the editing of the video. Yep. So that's it. Let's see what response I get. So yeah, I'm getting done false, comments no comments, title have to complete the editing of the video. Great. I mean that's great. So if I wanna see now that how many of them are there, so I guess I'm gonna get it now. So yeah, I'm getting it right now. So let's create a comment, but for the comment we have to change the logic of the controller. So in the base controller, just directly adding it to the database, that's completely amazing. But we have to add it into the to-do list. So and for that thing, the to-do is very much required. So I'm going to do copy paste it from this thing from there to over here. So if I write any function over here, so it's going to override the base controller which I'm extending. So just letting you guys know. So request.body request.body is there, and it should give me if data dot to do ID is not there, then I don't want to deal with your errors right now. So then we're gonna send some error back. Okay, it's giving me an error because of I have not imported those things. Great, awesome. So I'm gonna send back the error with 400 request. Error to do ID is required. db dot no, we're gonna have comment dot create, and I'm gonna basically make this thing as const data 2. It doesn't make sense. Comment I is equals to data. So I'm gonna have comment, and I'm gonna create const c is equals to comment title comment dot title description comment dot description. So basically I'm taking out the data from here and making it as comment, so that I can create a new object of comment interface, and I can pass the comment object over there. So once I get the data, so I'm gonna have const comment ID which is equals to db data dot underscore ID. So I'm gonna do const new to do, and it's gonna be you're gonna have a wait function over here to do to be imported to do dot let's say update. So update, we have id is equals to comment id, and what we have to update, you have to do dollar set actually let's just try dollar push. I mean, it's supposed to happen, or no, I'm just checking it out. So I'm just checking this thing out. If because in the project which I have done, I think so we need to push the data, and let me just search it online quickly. I'm forgetting it. So mongodb push in mongodb update push in array. Let's see, push mongodb array update operator. So push field this it's a name push. Okay, yeah, great. So we are getting push this thing, and I'm gonna pass the array. I was just confirming, like, is it that way or no? So dollar push, I don't know if it's gonna work this way. Okay, it's gonna work that way only. So dollar push into comments. Let me just check quickly. So yeah, it's comments. Let me just copy and push comments, and it's gonna be okay. The to-do ID is gonna be this ID, data.todo ID. Okay, let's const to-do ID equals to data. Comment ID, and if it's showing some error, we can do yes ignore, because it doesn't work. I mean, sometimes it gives some errors. Okay, it's not a foolish error though. It's a sensible error. No, nothing as such. So new to do. So const out is gonna be new to do maybe, and db data. So out. So let's see if it compiles or no. And meanwhile, I'll just open my Postman and copy the ID, create a new request, duplicate tab, to do comment, body. Yeah, to do ID, and let's try to send it. So error in post comments. It didn't override, or what is happening? Okay, sorry, it's error. Let's just check. Failed to pass description is required. Okay, the description is required, so great. This is a cool description. Yeah, so I got the data, new data, DB data, and let me just check if I'm in the comments, if I'm getting, so yeah, I'm getting the ID over there. So let's go, let's add some more comment to it. Have to complete the editing of the video, have to upload the video. Yes, YouTube, same area. Let's just check and send. Here it is, one more ID. But I want to populate that thing. So if I just simply go over there, base controller, if I do get and I do dot find dot populate LADE comments, and I think so we're gonna see the comments now. Same request, so you see the comments over here, and here it is. So I'm getting the comments in the section. So that's it, guys. That's it for the video. The code will be in the description below, and you guys can follow me on Instagram. My handle is code is saying 27. You can follow me on Twitter. So all the links and the GitHub code link would be in the description below. So go over there and do check it out. And if you have any comments, anything you would like me to do, or you have a comment on the project or something like that, then do let me know. I would be very much happy enough to help you out. And thank you so much, guys, for watching the tutorial. If you like the tutorial, then do like it and subscribe my channel, because it really motivates me to make new content for you guys. And thank you so much for watching the tutorial.